Hello, Mabuhay. This is Raja Tao. How may I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to make reservation.
Great. I would be delighted to assist you. When would you like to stay with us?
I intend to stay from August 22 to 25.
That's great. Let me just check the availability for those dates. Oh, yes, there are rooms available. What is the expected number of guests?
There will be 2 adults using it.
Perfect. A double room is available. Breakfast is included in the price. Would you like to make this reservation now?
Yes, that's great.
Okay, wonderful. In order to make the reservation, could I kindly have your name?
Yes, I am Miss Alexa Gomez.
Does your name spells like Alexa and Gomez?
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Alexa Gomez. It is being confirmed that you will be checking in for 2 adults from August 22 to August 25. It will be a pleasure to have you stay at our hotel. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, I made a reservation for August 22 to August 25, but I need to cancel it.
I'm sorry to hear that, ma'am, that you won't be able to stay with us. May I have your name, please?
It's Alexa Gomez.
Thank you, Miss Alexa Gomez. I found your reservation, and I am now proceeding with the cancellation.
Thank you. Would I be charged a cancellation fee?
Actually, ma'am, we don't charge cancellation fees here. If you notify us for at least 48 hours before the scheduled check-in date.
I'm glad to hear that. I'm grateful for your assistance.
You're welcome, Miss Alexa Gomez.